you're new to DaVinci Resolve or you just need a refresher, in this video I'll show you how to export videos through DaVinci Resolve, the best settings for your projects, and how to save and send your DaVinci Resolve exports. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver all your large media files online. When you sign up with MASV, we'll give you 100 gigabytes free to send all your files anywhere you want. Go and get it in the description box below. I'll leave you the link in there. Okay, let's get right into DaVinci Resolve. Here, I have my project with my edit. If you want to render your video quickly without choosing specific settings, go to File, Quick Export. In this new window, you can select presets with the recommended export settings depending on your needs. You have three different compression formats: H.264, H.265, and ProRes. H.264 and H.265 will compress the file more while maintaining a good video quality. That's why these ones are usually used for the web. ProRes, though, doesn't compress the file as much, so it preserves the original video quality more. You want to use it for the highest quality in your final deliveries. Then, you have the suggested export settings to upload to your social media accounts, like YouTube. Here, look, it uses the H.264 codec. You can also sign into your channel and post directly from DaVinci, which is pretty cool. Choose the one that suits you best. Click on Export, then select where you want to save it and its name. There you go. Now, if you want to modify your export settings manually, you just have to go down here to the Deliver tab. Oh, this one. In this new tab, on the left side, you can find at the top the same presets we had in the Quick Export, but with other options to render to other softwares as well. Let's go to the Custom Export tab to start from scratch. Write its name and select its location first. Now, let's open the Format drop-down menu, and you will see a variety of formats to use in here. The most popular are MP4, that you can use the H.264 and H.265 codec, or QuickTime, where there are more options to export with high resolution in ProRes, but also including the H.264 and H.265 codecs. Industry standard Avid DNx HD and HR and GoPro Cineform are codecs specific to certain platforms. DPX and EPX are high-res codecs with minimal compression. There is Grass Valley, that's specifically for editing, VP9 specifically for streaming videos, EXR, TIFF, and JPEG 2000 that will give high-quality images. Let's keep the MP4 format with H.264 codec. In the drop-down menu of resolution, the size is set up at 1920 by 1080 HD, and you can raise it to 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. I would recommend doing the resolution that is needed for your project, the one that you're using in your timeline. You can go to the Media tab, right-click on your timeline, then select Timeline, Timeline Settings. Here you can see what the resolution is and change it if you need to. Usually, you don't want to go above the size of your footage. Okay, back again in the Deliver tab, let's go to the Quality section. We're going to change it to Restrict. This is going to set up the bitrate. Bitrate is the amount of information or data that is transferred per second. In this case, that is going to be written while exporting. The higher the resolution and frame rate, the higher the bitrate should be. In here, we will grade at least 20,000 for a normal lighter export. But for even better quality, you have to raise it more. To be safe and assure high quality, you can double your frame rate with 3 zeros and just grade that. Those are the parameters that will affect the final export's quality the most. Remember that with a higher bitrate, we will get the best quality, but we will also get a heavier export. When you're done, at the bottom of the window, click on Add to Render Queue. At the top right corner of the program, it will appear our video we want to export. Just click on Render All and it will start to export. You can customize other formats like ProRes version and keep adding to the render queue to export as many versions as you want. And that's how to export through DaVinci Resolve with the best settings for your projects. If you also need to send your project to another computer or another colleague to continue doing some work like color grading or VFX, this is how you do it. First, If you want to find where your project is, you can go to the bottom right and click on the little house icon. This will open the Project Manager window. Click on Projects to open up the menu of Project Libraries on the left. Right-click on Local Database and reveal in Finder. In Finder, you will go to Resolve Projects, Users, Guest, Projects, and over there you will find the folder for your project. Now, if you want to send your individual project file with its media, let's go back to the Project Manager window. Right-click on your project, Export Project Archive. Select where you want it to be saved and check the files you want to be included. OK, you will have a folder with everything you need in the location you selected. Next, just drag and drop that folder into MASV to transfer your files easily and super quickly to the next steps. Remember to sign up with us to get those 100 GB free and send all your large files anywhere they need to be in the world. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more filmmaking tutorials. I leave you now with this video here for you to enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!